Hello everyone, Pedro with you, and in this video I'm going to show you how to post a live photo on Instagram story. So actually it is very quick and easy. I'll show you how to do that, but you need to watch this video till the end so you won't miss any important steps. So first of all, we need to open Instagram, and here, as we are on our home page, we need to scroll to the right and open the camera of our Instagram. So basically here we can create our story, and by clicking in the bottom left corner we can open the gallery and choose the live photo from our gallery. So if you see a little infinity sign next in the corner of the photo, it means this photo is live. And as you can see, my recent photo has the infinity sign, so it is live and I can click on it. But as you can see, it is still. So if I want to make this a live photo and post it to my story, I need to click on the infinity sign in the top left corner right here, and as you can see, it makes this photo move, and basically now it is live. And I can click on the done button in the top right corner and click on the send in the bottom right corner to basically share this story to my page. And basically that is it. That is how I can post a live photo on Instagram story. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.